Fingers crossed.
Parts in the mail, parts in the mail. We got parts in the mail. Oh. Hey, what are you guys doing in here? You're supposed to be at the track. Get to the track. Dang. Boom! Movie magic. Hey, come on. We're doing the blah 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 differently this time, Jack. After our first pass, Matt, the track prep guy, had warned me that the track was super tight. They put a radial tune or radial prep on it, so he said it's going to be tight, and he promised he was going to brake my car. Well, he didn't break it, but he gave the clutch hell. So our first pass, track was super tight. We left probably not quite hard enough. Got the clutch a little bit on the gear changes. I could feel it a little bit, and by the time I got back to the pits, the clutch was a little warm. So you can smell it a little bit. So we had to give it a little bit of a break, but the track was good. But the best news is it did not miss in any gear. The chip, while the tune may not be quite spot on, I thought the mile an hour would be a little bit higher. It didn't miss, and that was what counted, just like with the SilverCar. So we were very happy about that. Weren't we happy, Jack?
Look, say everybody hi. Say hello, YouTube. Look, hi, YouTube. Carry out.
All right. Well, let's go check out the next pass. What? All right, you saw the second pass, and it was better than the first. 737, mile an hour was up a little bit. 60 foot was really good, and we were off to the races with that one. So we were real happy. That was 2 passes in a row where we didn't have a miss, and everything was looking awesome. Was basically a carbon copy of our second pass. 730, everything was good. Oh, hey, easy, bro. We had to go to the tower to get the time slips, and that kind of sucked, but not a big deal. You just got to walk up there and get them. And we were happy with our second pass too. It was also really good. Then we had to go give it a little rest. You guys just saw the fourth pass. We didn't, the guy that was filming for us, he had left, so the last two passes we only have in car, and you saw the fiasco with the gear change. That pretty much sucked. We screwed the pooch on that. We're hoping we'd get out of there with no missed gears, but we just didn't do a good job, did we, Jack? So anyway, let's move on to the final pass. Magic, Jack. Our fifth pass of the day was a decent run. We didn't miss any gears, and everything kind of, just wrapped the day up. It was a good day. The car wasn't super fast. I thought it'd be a little quicker with the weather, mile an hour wise and ET wise, but it didn't miss. I had a lot of fun. It's just nice just driving the car and not have to worry about it doing that cockamamie thing that it was doing before, and we got that squared away. David will probably look at the tune a little bit and change a few little things here and there. Maybe not before the next time we go to the track with it. We may take it back up there again and tinker around, get some more baseline runs with it. But other than that, we were super happy, super pleased, and it was a good day for us. So let's look at the numbers real quick, and then the slips, and we'll wrap this up. Wow, this is a train wreck today. The whole thing's a train wreck. Jack doesn't approve. Okay, here's our first hit. Matt warned me the track was tight, of course, but I left a little soft. 154, 741 at 90.16. The clutch just got ate up on that one. We let it cool off a little bit, and it rewarded us with this, a 152, 737 at 90.8. We were pretty happy with that. Then we came around, and we basically identicaled it. 152, 737, 91. Then we pulled around and we went ahead and clanged it. 155, 794 at 88.7. That pretty much stinks. Then we just hot lapped it and got our redemption run in. And it was 151, 739, 90.71. We were leaving pretty hard. It was a lot of fun letting that thing fly off the limiter, basically. So that's what we ran. Let's finish up I don't know if we really call this a blah, 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 but let's finish up what we were doing. You have seen all the numbers, you have all the information. So if you liked the way we did it this time, comment. But since this video probably won't be out for about a month and a half or so, I may have made another one just like this since then. And if you didn't like it, I apologize. So anyway, me and Jack are getting our rub on a little bit. Alright guys, I got a little sidetracked when I was leaving the track. Had a little bunch of stuff on my mind, but we are heading home under our own power. We went out to the secret facility and we've swapped vehicles. We're back in SilverCar, but we were very happy with the way SuperSecret performed. Not as happy as the way we performed, but happy with that. So we'll get the blah blah blah. See you guys in a minute. We got a lot of stuff in the works, working on cars. We got things that we're doing, and new things coming along. It's, while it seems things move kind of slowly, we're constantly working and stuff like that because we got to balance it out with family and work and all this kind of stuff. So anyway, we got plenty more coming. Me and Jack do's, and What? You hear something out there? So anyway, as always, let's wrap this up real quick. It's getting really long. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for watching. Jack, you're just messing this whole thing up. And especially thanks for commenting. So until next time, on the leader in substandard Foxbody videos, we'll see you later.